Hi, to control media on Google Pixel Watch 3, firstly you need to press this crown like that to open list of apps, and here scroll a bit down to find this tab media controls. Tap it to open, and now if something is playing on your phone, in my case it is sounds from Spotify, you should see it right on your watch. So you can tap here to play this song. You can tap here to skip and go to the next track. You can go to the previous one by tapping this button. By tapping right here, you can adjust volume. So you can either increase it or you can decrease volume like that. And that is basically how you can control everything on the device. Also, you can rotate this crown and increase volume. And this way you can decrease it. And another way how you can control it is by adding complications on your watch face. So press and hold your current watch face. Tap this pen icon to edit it. Swipe left 2 times like this. And let's add this music control widget instead of heart rate measurements, for example. So I'm gonna tap it, scroll down, and here is media controls. So I can tap it like that and press this crown to confirm changes. And then I can immediately tap on that complication and my Spotify will be opened. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.